So the phrase is, nothing says lovin' like...
Something in the oven. No?
Close enough, close enough. Something from the oven.
Okay.
And so style is disappointing.
Okay, nothing says love and like
Blank.
blank.
All right. So once again, the phrase is nothing says lovin' like. The style is disappointing.
Nothing says loving like a home-cooked meal. A romantic walk on the beach, some sexy lingerie, and damn it, he fell asleep.
Do I have to do this?
Yes, you must.
Nothing says loving like, come on, honey, it's not gonna suck itself. I did not write this.
That performance is awesome, though.
Nothing says lovin' other than you, sweetie. Nothing says lovin' like a 6-pack of beer on our 1-year anniversary. Of course I like it. Sigh.
Nothing says loving like divorce papers.
Nothing says loving like just cuddling on your honeymoon.
Oh, that was good.
These two are connected.
Yeah, and this one too. Kind of
This happened and that
I'm gonna go with Charity for performance. That was good. And who wrote that one?
Yes. Who wrote it?